Now let's learn about measures. A measure is like a calculator that runs only when required. Just like this, the calculator. Producing results based on filters and context in a report, right? This is the report kind of thing. Unlike calculated columns that stores values row by row, measures compute dynamically at query time, such as summing sales or average profit. They don't increase model size because results aren't stored, only generated when visuals demand them. This makes measures efficient, flexible, and essential for interactive analysis. We'll meet in our next lecture.